Welcome to JAKS Weekly Updates from 4th February 2017 to 10th February 2017. Let's start with updates from income tax. First point, CBDT gives its views on the applicability and implementation of General Anti-Avoidance Rules. The General Anti-Avoidance Rules are included in Chapter 10A of the Income Tax Act and shall come into force from 1st April 2017. The CBDT, after considering the comments raised by some stakeholders, has issued a circular providing its views on some aspects of GAAR. These include its views on the interplay between general anti-avoidance rules and specific anti-avoidance rules and the limitation of benefit test under certain tax treaties. The CBDT has also indicated the manner of determination of the threshold for tax benefit for invoking and scope of investments, which will be grandfathered from the applicability of general anti-avoidance rules. Next point. Income tax issues 5,100 notices for cash deposits in bank accounts. The CBDT has collected information of cash deposits in bank accounts including Jan Dhan accounts. Such information has been compared with the profile of the persons based upon the information available in the database of ITD. Based upon the analysis, more than 5,100 notices for verification of cash deposits in banks during the period from 9th November 2016 to 10th January 2017, including those in dormant and Jan Dhan accounts, have been issued. All in receipt of such notices are advised to file their reply at the earliest to avoid further consequences. Next point, Garib Kalyan Scheme. Deposits can be made one or more occasions. Government of India has decided to allow declarants to make deposits on one or more occasions in the PMG-KDS 2016. Accordingly, Para 4.4 of the notification in this regard stands amended. Next, we have updates from indirect taxes. Final GST law to be out by March end. Final GST law is expected to be in the public domain by the end of March, says the CBEZ members in post-budget interactive sessions held recently. Also, service tax is not expected to be hiked even if GST is delayed. Updates from corporate law. Delay in certificate of incorporation MCA clarification. Stakeholders may kindly note that in the new improved version of SPICE e-form, the certificate of incorporation will be generated only after approval of company incorporation by MCA and also allotment of PAN and TAN by Income Tax Department. Till the integration with the CBDT system stabilizes, few stakeholders may experience occasional delay in receiving the certificate of incorporation. Stakeholders may please note that the new functionality is intended to reduce the total time frame and number of processes for incorporation and allotment of PAN and TAN. All newly incorporated companies using SPICE e-forms are now receiving their PAN in the certificate of incorporation itself and TAN separately by email. Form 49A for PAN and 49B for TAN needs to be digitally signed by the same director who has affixed digital signature in Form SPICE INC 32. Some other updates. No limit on cash withdrawal from March 13th, RBI. Reserve Bank of India decided to phase out weekly limit on cash withdrawal from savings accounts in 2 stages, starting from February 20th. First, the weekly withdrawal limit for savings account will be raised to Rs 50,000 from February 20th. From March 13th, there will be no limit on cash withdrawal from savings accounts. The RBI announced at the 6th bi-monthly monetary policy review. That's all for this week. Thank you for listening.